requested, this is going to be a fun segment. So I have my buddy Frank here holding the camera. First time ever. There's Mr. Frank. And so I'm going to do one side, and then Frank's going to do the other side. So we're going to do audience participation here. So as requested, we're going to do air filters. We're going to do the engine air filter here underneath that guy, as that we all know. And then we're going to do the cabin one up underneath the passenger side, and the other cabin filter that is in the front compartment. So with that, let's get after it. I'm going to do this side. So you got a nice little rubber gasket. This rubber gasket stays on here, and then you want to get your this is actually coming off pretty good. Now, I did talk about this in one of my previous videos. There's little spacers when you pull this off that are going to go flying, and it feels like you're going to break this choker. And you just literally are pulling inbound. Oop, the fuzzies on me. You're pulling it in towards the center of the vehicle. It really this hasn't been done a lot on this car. Actually, what we got? Oh, that's fine. It's gone. Actually, the reason why that's not coming out is you got the bottom one. So this guy right here.
Something just fell.
Yep. Frank just called it. This little guy gets and I call them like little witch's hat or dunce hats, right? So they're just little spacers to keep it from rattling around. So you want to keep those from getting lost.
I have no clue.
Oh, that's cool. No worries. You just aim it. So hopefully it won't turn off. And gosh, dog, that joker is tight. All right, there she goes. You work. I like working it up from the back side here, working forward. I can get around here. Oh, there she goes. All right. So there's piece 2 off. And these little witches hats, dunce hats, 2 of the 3 stayed on. Actually, there's 4, and we'll have to go fishing for those. My little foam piece here, if you, Frank, if you would. This guy, I'm gonna have to replace mine, but it does help for noise abatement, right? So with that, I'm gonna pause, and we're gonna get Frank on the other side. So Frank's doing his side. The driver's side, so he's got his bottom piece out first. Oh, let's see. Yep, his little hat's on there. I think that's the only one on that side. And now,
grab right here.
Work. Yep. So work from the bottom. There you go. There you go.
I think I'm gonna break this thing.
Yeah, I know it feels like you're breaking it. No kidding. There you go. Beautiful. All right. Gentile. All right, we got our little, oh, let's find our witch's hat. Oh, there's one right there. It's laying on the top, Frank. Right there. There you go.
Where's that one go? Here?
Right there. Yep.
Maybe that one wasn't supposed to be there, because there's 1, 2 on this one.
They're supposed to be on there. Maybe whoever took it off previously lost them. Or they got lost down in the
I've also got one right there.
Very nice. Okay. All right. So now we want to take off this centerpiece. So I'll let you want me to take off the centerpiece? Okay.
Free labor, buddy.
All right, there we go. All right, so with this guy, you can see I've broken most all my plastic pieces. So this guy literally gets up underneath there and just pull it straight up. And work it from one end to the other and pull it straight up. And then, boy, it feels like you're breaking this choker. Oy, there we go. All right. That's it. Then she comes out. All right, so now dealer's choice on these side carpet pieces. We're gonna have to take the fronts off, but I've taken this carpet out without taking these side pieces off. It's easier just to take the side pieces off.
Okay.
Stand by. So we have moved the seats forward because we need to take this little beauty piece off here. And this guy is a pain in the tuchus. Again, handy dandy tie bar, and really want to be careful not to break it, but it feels like you're breaking it. Boy, oh boy. Mine's been off so many times, it literally just falls apart.
This car has 20,000 miles on it, Chris. And it's my wife's baby.
Oh yeah. So we definitely don't want to break his wife's.
I think my wife loves this car more than me.
That is completely understandable. Aha! Success. So we've gained access to these two, and there's one here on this guy to take this beauty piece off. So guess what? It's Frank's turn now to break his wife's car. Oh, all right, Frank.
Lord. I wasn't paying close attention.
All right, get on in there, Frank.
All right, so just push it in and pry up.
Yeah. You just gotta work it. Work it, baby. Work it. No. Work for. Come to me. Come to the inside on the carpet. There you go. Oh, sorry. Get it underneath there. Don't be scared. There you go. Now pry it up. There you look at that. It just popped up. Frank got the lucky side. Now work it around. There you go. Always work from the base. Then stop what you're doing. Now go to the other side. Yep, and work from the base up on that side. Because you don't want to put a crease in that or snap it. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. So with that, now we got to get our Torx on there and take our center bar off and our little center piece off. So stand by for that. So you have 2 bolts on either side of this bar and 1 bolt, like I said, for your extra storage, right? So the bar literally just lifts out. Careful not to scratch. Also, Frank and I discovered that you don't want to hit the glass with a wrench. Be very, very careful when you got your wrench back here. So one thing that's very important about these side pieces is everything else pops straight out, right? Pulls straight out, except for these guys. You got to pull it forward and then lift it out. Very, very, very different on these covers. Other than that, we're gonna actually here. Stand by. I'll show you how fast this goes. This guy pops straight up. Boom, done. There you go. So this is the, as you can tell, and the reason why, the most neglected maintenance task on this car at every opportunity. So I'll get Frank to pull his carpet off, and then we'll get to the actual cover underneath the carpet.
I'm assuming because of these tabs, it goes from this side.
All right, experimental test pilot. He's figuring it out. Let's show you. It's not rocket science. He's said this over and over again today. It's not rocket science. So, but we do work on near rocket scientists. So by extension, come on, be a man and put some ass into it. Let's go. Let's go. Pull on it. You're not gonna hurt it. Pull it up, baby. Pull it. There you go. All right, watch your hands, hurt yourself. Okay, so this is the cover right here. Well, we need to take these bolts out. Those, I'll show you my technique for the top 2. But I think it's the same size. Where's our ratchet at, Frank? I think it's the same size as those bolts, which is what, a T27? Boom! All right, so let's get these off and then I'll show you how I do the top. Okay, as promised, Frank is gonna film me and my technique. So I have a T30 bit here, a little tiny guy, came in a kit. I have an 8mm ratcheting box end wrench, and as you can possibly understand, find the hole and go to town. This is probably one of the more tedious things you can do to get this joker off here, but it's effective. There we go. All right. So we got 4 more to do, and then we'll pull the cover off and show you how to pop the filter out. With that, stand by. All right, when you're ready, Frank, I want you to slowly and carefully, and I'm gonna scare the death out of you before you take this off, because these edges are insanely sharp, and it will remove paint off of metal if you breathe on it. Yes, very carefully, gingerly remove that joker. All right. There she is. No, that's your intercooler. that's your air filter. Sorry. So so we got I think there's 4 captive bolts we have to take off. So we're gonna find our proper sizes and take those loose and get up underneath there. All right, Frank's getting after it. He knows what size it is. I don't know. He's keeping a secret from me. I don't know. So.
It is a T20.
A 20. 20. Oh, I don't know if you came out far enough on that, brother man.
I did, but that.
You just dropped that?
Yeah.
Ooh! Okay, exploratory, stand by. We'll be back.